Okay? Now this.
Dad, look at my house.
Okay, let's see something different. Now then we take this big one and go like this. So we need.
Joey, if you
We
ram
need
into
some
me
glue.
one more time,
So we'll go ahead and use this red for glue.
I'll help
we
you
ain't
when
got
I'm
that
done.
on there.
Take your time.
No, it's yours. It's on the floor right now.
What?
Your part to your gingerbread house.
Get it.
Your nail is so bright.
I'm gonna
Okay, let's see here. Let's go. Red there. Red there.
Okay, why is this?
Okay, you might have to let this house dry a little bit before you.
Oh, that's what I
Before you-
had to do.
Yes, you gotta let it dry a little bit before you keep putting a whole bunch of stuff on.
Oh!
Okay.
I give
So there's
up.
us a roof. Is this the other part of our roof? Sure is. There we go. There's us
Other
a
way,
roof.
other way.
Oh.
Too late. There's us a roof. Like that.
And there's
Let's put this up for a ridge cap.
Huh?
So it sticks.
I'm not the one that's going to be cleaning this up.
Yes, you are.
Okay, now leave
You
that
did
one.
it.
Let that one sit. Let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll make.
Sarah, say hello.
Hi.
Haley,
Got you, Dick.
Okay, this one goes on the
say
bottom.
hello. Joey,
Are you videoing?
Snoopy died on the Snoopy house.
Look.
Snoopy.
And look, we've got Rudolph the Red-Nosed Joey. Then we got Nolan over here with this three-story. We're gonna go with three-story gingerbread house. We wish one day we could own a house.
No,
that
it's
looked
just
like
a
this.
one story. It's got a dormer on it.
No, how'd you get these big beads?
Huh?
Where'd you get the big beads?
Those are my Christmas lights.
That's so cute.
Nolan, say hello.
Hello.
Larissa,
Okay, let's see here. We're missing our roof parts for this one. Are you eating pieces?
Oh my god.
now we're gonna come this way.
No, over here.
Mimi, say hi.
Merry Christmas.
Stop doing it. I'll punch you in your throat.
JC Sue,
Okay, do this like
who's taking the baby.
And I'll do this. Okay.
Of course, he would flip off the video recorder. So would she.
Okay, this white stuff.
Now we're gonna go back over here.
Every day.
Mikey, where'd you run off to? Say hi.
Hi, camera.
Oh, recorder.
A recorder. Hi, iPhone.
Okay, ugly. No. Oh. All of a sudden, I hit photos and all of a sudden I see Tracy in
You putting an addition on already?
Trying to build me a doghouse, nigga.
Where's your foundation?
I ain't got one.
Oh, you're getting excited. Red tag.
Oh yeah, look at mine. It stood. What?
She's got snow going on over here. Ooh, look at all that snow.
I'll put some snow.
Move your fingers. No.
I give up.
No, you
Don't give up.
Do you think I can
We're
put
all
some
trash
stuff
in this
on?
house.
Stuff on?
Oh, if you cave in, Mr. Snow thing, you'll be very upset.